And then the last case study I had for today was just around the area of battery recycling. And in Australia, an organization called B-Cycle is the battery stewardship entity. And they've wanted to incentivize, particularly around small battery recycling, and improve the recycling rates of that. But it was very impractical for companies to implement this in an efficient way, given the large land space, but also given, let's say, the infrequency of people disposing of batteries. So what this organization did, EcoBat, that we've worked with, is they recognized the need for partnership. They partnered with countrywide retail grocery stores. They placed their bins in those stores, and they used sensors to detect when those bins were filling up and needed collecting. It also provided them, that information, just a nice visual map of the collection rates or around the country, and where they needed to implement more initiatives to help increase recycling rates. So in the first year of that operation, they doubled the battery collection. They've collected over 1,000 tons of small batteries in a single year using this model. So I do have a last video on it.
EcoBat, a part of the EcoCycle group of companies. Over the last 2 years, the company has invested heavily in state-of-the-art technology to become the preeminent battery recycling company in Australia, specialising in the safe collection, processing and recycling of all types of batteries. The company has also embraced technology with a custom-built software system that facilitates efficient collection and processing of batteries nationally.
A key feature of our business has been the rollout of over 4,000 collection bins around the country through major retailers. In conjunction with our partners, we have developed a software system whereas each bin's location is GPS monitored and has inbuilt software that allows us to access types of information on a particular bin, from how full it is to its temperature. We can call this information up in real time and use it to schedule battery collections and learn more about the recycling habits of our battery end user. We use this data to schedule our truck collections nationally and to develop pickup routes for effective collection. This new planning tool means that we know the weight of the batteries we are collecting, the trucks needed for the collection, and how we can efficiently transport these batteries to each of our state offices for consolidation before being transferred to our sorting and processing centre in Camberfield, Victoria. We have invested heavily in new trucks and trained our drivers in all aspects of safety and on-site maintenance of the bins to ensure that EcoBat brand is always professionally presented in the market. The data we are collecting will provide some new insights into the way Australians are recycling batteries and will provide some interesting insights for our customers and government agencies.